I'm recording.
Okay, this is your super on-air weatherman with WARE News, and I'm gonna show you how deep the snow is. See, this is me trying to get out the snow. We might get some bad footage because I can't open the door. But when we get out, I'm gonna wipe the window for my cameraman. You see that? All right, and I'm gonna step in the snow by the door, and I'm gonna fall.
You better be careful.
No, that was cold. I'm back.
All I can see is you. It's too close.
Okay. Look at that.
Homeland Security
Look how
said
deep that
we are
is.
not privy to all the details of the program. We'll be looking at it very carefully and added it facilitates the risk of identity theft and said money laundering through the program could be entirely possible. Bank of America
Down that way with the boat because I got no shoes on. But down there, they kind of deep too. And I can walk. Look there. I'll try to kick some of the snow.
Oh, it's cold.
And we coming back in. And that's been the super weatherman for WARE.
Here, take the camera and show.
I'm gonna show the world. I'm gonna show the world. This is the other areas. It's kind of need more light. They ain't gonna be. I said they need more light. This is where I was stepping. Yeah, it's all coming up. Real nice and neat. That's what snow is all about. Look at those mountains. Look like a scene from Star Wars. It looked like when Luke Skywalker got beat upside the head and the little animals came and saved him. Amen.
Woo.